Hey y'all, I'm Coco and welcome to Koko'S Kitchen. What do we have here today? Let me start off with the main course. Let me show y'all something. This is spaghetti with meat sauce, topped with assorted cheese. This spaghetti has smoked sausage in here. It has tomato chunks. It has onions, bell peppers. It has the works in this. This is like loaded. It is stuffed. I'm telling you. Okay, what else do we have? Move these dishes around. We have sauteed green beans. You see, you have the red potatoes in here. I'm gonna clean that up, y'all. I have a paper towel. You have potatoes in here, the red diced potatoes in here. You have cut up onions. You have bacon, fried bacon in here. Don't worry, I see the juice spilling. I have a paper towel. I'm going to also clean up after I show y'all everything that I have to show y'all. Moving right along. This is a stuffed bell pepper. This stuffed bell pepper have shrimp in here, crab roll in here. You have your ground meat. Oh man, this sucker is stuffed. You have your rice. It is stuffed. When I say stuffed, I mean stuffed. All right. Last but not least, we have your fried fish. Look at that fish, y'all. That fish is golden. Look at that. That's fried catfish. Oh my goodness. Y'all see it? Now let's see what it's giving. Let's see what it's giving. Oh wow, y'all look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is good. This is good. You can see the sausages and everything in here. Go with another dip. Let's double dip. Lord. I taste the green bean. Delicious, y'all. A stuffed bell pepper with shrimp. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. See the shrimp? Look at that. And look, that's the catfish. Let's see what it's giving. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, hot. Oh, hot. And it is delicious. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for more from Koko'S Kitchen.